Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use public phone booths in GTA 4. First, open your in-game map and look for the small phone icon, which indicates a public phone booth. Once you've spotted one, navigate your character to its location. As you get close, make sure the area is clear of any threats or hostile characters. You want to be able to use the phone without interruption, so take a moment to secure your surroundings before proceeding. Once you're at the phone booth, stand directly in front of it. You'll see a prompt appear on your screen, usually indicating which button to press to interact. Press that action button to bring up your in-game phone menu. From there, you can scroll through your contacts list. Choose the person you wish to call, then confirm your selection to start the conversation. It's a straightforward process. Sometimes, missions will specifically direct you to a public phone booth to receive or make a crucial call. When this happens, the game will often highlight the correct phone booth on your map or provide clear on-screen instructions. Simply follow these prompts to advance the mission. Pay close attention to the dialogue during these calls, as it often contains vital information or new objectives you'll need to complete. These calls are key to progressing the story. Most calls will conclude automatically once the conversation is finished, and you'll return to normal gameplay. However, if you need to end a call prematurely, you can usually just walk away from the phone booth, and the call will disconnect. Remember, public phones are great for maintaining a low profile when you don't want to use your personal cell. Also, for those looking to make meal prep easy, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.